day 4 namin dito. Right, Kirby? Day 4. That got swag. Look at that. Day 4 namin ngayon. Punta kami kakain. Anong mga almusal doon. Nagutom na. Are you hungry? No? You're not gonna eat?
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay. Nagutomers, let's go. Sana mayroong ditong kainan natin. Where? Where you wanna wear it?
Where are we gonna go?
Wear it. There, we're gonna go eat. Where? It's just sunny.
I thought we were gonna go to the in there.
No. Look at the island.
Go to the beach.
Yeah.
But we can't.
Not right now. We're gonna eat first.
We're gonna go swim again
Yeah.
in the beach.
Oh, nice.
That time left 2 hours of our time. We get to swim in the beach.
Yeah. In Mommy's place, there's a close beach too. Yeah. Yeah, you know.
When are we going?
Nice. Good morning. Hindi, meron doon yung mga longganisahan.
Hello, you want pedicure?
Pirates Alona.
Hindi ko nga mag-ano kahit saan.
Yeah.
Hindi ko na.
Dito.
Una tayo lumayo kasi
Ay, breakfast dere? Ah, sige, breakfast me. Ah, dito, breakfast. Yeah. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. Oh. Oh, salamat kaya.
Oh, wow. Meron ba silang room mag-pay ng lugar?
Ha?
Meron silang room.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, may breakfast.
Oh. It's on oh man. Kain muna tayo ng breakfast.
Okay, I like the breakfast.
You guys have egg and bacon, Curry? You want some?
Everything. We have American breakfast. See it? No. Why did he have it? Look at the name. Oh. Imagine. One Filipino birth.
Yung Filipino.
I want that. Which one do you want? Chicken casino, corned beef, corned beef. But meron ko na corned beef.
What is a banana?
Banana what?
Banana.
One banana. Banana? Where?
Oh, the banana fruit.
Oh,
Banana.
banana, the fruit. Yeah, they have buko juice.
Di habe? Ag.
Did you find yours? Look at, look.
There's a barbecue, Kyrie. You want some barbecue?
No, it's more than that.
Yeah, exactly.
This one here?
They have bacon. Yeah, they have bacon.
Bacon? Yeah, they have a...
But it's a sandwich though. Bacon sandwich.
I don't get it. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, they have American breakfast.
I want Mexican. I want Filipino breakfast.
Okay.
I want Luna sausage.
I say I want to.
Base na, gisip sa siguro nga importante.
I want coffee.
Mom is a fish.
I want to get coffee.
Saan ba? Where? Oh yeah.
Mom said, oh, yeah, she
Yeah.
Ube. Actually, you know, people think that Ube is
Yeah, in America, in Starbucks, yeah, and this girl called it oob. She said it's oob. Mom, you know, in America, Starbucks, right? They came out with oob drink, and they're new, yeah, they're new.
Are you guys good?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Hello, sir. Ma'am. Kumusta? Kumusta?
Saan yan?
Kaning pancake ra ko, ma'am?
May
Oh, kaning... Asa kaning na butter? Kaning butter?
kanang sa tunga lang utang ng
Oh, sige. Kaning lang. Kaning.
pancake ka lang.
Oh, pancake. Oh. Pila ka pancake nito eh?
Isa lang na siya pero murag pwede po siya good for to sir kay murag.
Oo. Dako na siya? Oh, dako na siya. Oh, sige. Kana. Kanang og kanang kape. Kawara? Kape?
Brewed coffee sir.
Oh, broad coffee. Broad
With milk
coffee.
and sugar na side.
Oo. May... Gusto mo ng kape?
Yeah.
Dalawang kape. Duha ka kape na natin. Oh. May kape na yung sa'yo? Ano ba yung drinks mo? Tapos na ako.
Filipino breakfast.
Ano na Filipino breakfast?
Opo, ate. Ano po? Corned beef.
Okay. Coffee or tea?
Kape.
Instant coffee lang po yan ma'am.
Yeah, it's fine. Ito na, ano na to? The same thing? Corned beef also or tocino? You want corned beef? But I don't want just get a tea. Or yung drink ko, coffee ko tea lang yung choice. So you want
You,
coffee or tea?
you want? You're not hungry? You want shakes? What about shakes? You want shakes?
Strawberry.
Yes, strawberry shake. Yeah. Okay.
Ito kuya.
So,
Filipino also? Casino or corned beef? There's Vienna sausage? Okay.
what drinks?
Huh? Tea?
What
What kind of tea? Green or black?
iced tea?
What is it? Green or black? Green or black? Black tea? How about coffee?
Are you
coffee?
are you are you sure you're gonna drink that?
Or just get a coffee?
What about what about soda?
Just get one. Kape na lang ate yung isa. Okay. Okay. Calamansi? Calamansi po. Okay. What do you want to drink? Ube shake? Ube shake na po.
Yung strawberry kaya Kyrie.
What? Strawberry shake? What do you want to eat?
You know what?
Are you sure?
Kyrie just eat
Just get one.
dalawang pizza yung kinain yan. Almusal niya kanina.
Yeah, strawberry smoothie or shake? Shake strawberry shake.
Yun lang po, ma'am. Sir,
Oh.
i-prepare ko lang, ma'am.
Oo.
Isang butter pancake, isang
Aha.
good coffee, 3 Filipino breakfast, 2 corned beef, isang Vienna,
Aha.
at yung drinks, 2 coffee, isang green tea, isang calamansi cold,
Aha.
ruby shake, and strawberry shake.
Ah, maayo kay sa ate. Ay, memorize kayo. Salamat eh. Aha.
Ah, that's for the beautiful.
It's me.
Vina.
Vienna sausage. Salamat.
Gusto ko na itlog.
Yeah.
Okay, you want egg? No, you want egg?
Mhm.
Daddy wants it. Eh, Dad. Oh, yung syrup.
So, yan.
You want family? No. Corned beef, do you want some? No.
Mama, you know what? Straight out the can.
You don't want your egg?
I want my egg, actually. Mom, you're just weird. You're just weird.
What's weird?
You.
What?
You want your eggs.
Wipe namin. Napkin, napkin.
Like no fruits now. You want that for?
Like, Mom. Look at this. It's so good.
I'm gonna eat that egg.
Mhm.
What's different egg? Extra protein.
Oh, wow, it's really yummy.
Not a one you're eating? See, it's already Why are you done with that?
Hurry up, Mama. Mama, you can hurry up.
I think I love candy. I know Dad doesn't know how to make candy. He always...
He makes it raw.
He's not, he doesn't cook it for long.
He doesn't cook it like I do.
No, he just doesn't cook it long. Because you know how it's still like firm and oily?
No,
Pwede.
it's still there. I'm done. Ano yun?
Maybe you want to try?
No.
Ako lang kumain ng buong pizza.
Yeah, dalawa. Busog yan. Cairo eats the 2 slices of pizza. Hmm.
Picture banana.
Good. Then it.
Mami. So, diretso na tayo doon. Andun na yung, ano natin? Yung sasakyan.
Manginip na kayo sa kanila.
Oo.
Kasi bawal sila din sa akin.
Mm. Tapos na kami. Bilis ko ka mo kumain. Ako. What's the, banana?
You know, I begged one of my friends for the banana because like I was so hungry.
Mm.
This mine? Wala na tanong na sa
You drink that? You're done?
Daddy, you want a coffee?
No, I don't want. Mm.
Okay, I'll let you. I'm gonna tell you earlier, but then I got you straight away.
Don't get Moana. Get mad. Get mad.
I don't want it. Why is the banana orange?
Moana.
Look. There's some orange banana. It's like really like it. You need to get all back to that.
Oh shit.
Huh?
Let's go. Seven 11.
You are good.
Mga gapos diyan, dito hapon na diha mga nagkuskus diha lang.
Excuse me.
Massage pa. Foot massage.
Let's go. What mom is doing?
Calling her work friends.
Oh. It's hot.
Too bad we're going to eat. Hello,
Yeah.
massage.
Okay na? Let's go.
Baka magsakin si Queen kanina.
Oh. Let's go.
Dito nila ako.
19 minutes.
19 minutes? Okay, let's go. Sea breeze. Koi. Where's the koi? Koi, koi. Oh, there. Koi. Sleeping.
Hard like that on my allergy thing. Like, you would have screamed really loud. Good job, you guys.
No, I thought something tax.
Where to? Florencia.
Kuya has a photo of his
Oranges.
boyfriend.
Lapit lang pala, 2 miles.
2 miles lang.
Gay?
No,
You. He said yeah.
10 minutes lang.
they're
Okay.
but they change it.
Ready na?
Trans?
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Tagalog.
Tagalog yan, maganda yan. English?
Wait lang.
English.
Hindi ata pwedeng English.
You know those dress?
Doon mo na, okay na.
Did you have to do that in your class?
Okay na yan. Tingnan ko lang naman ng GPS, hindi ka kailangan magsalita.
Okay, sige na, labas mo na.
Lagay mo dito.
If you speak English, you gotta have punishment.
Yeah, I had to do that in my
Lagay mo nga dito.
Why? You're not proud of this. Watch it, auntie just died.
I thought you were at 7%.
Oh, ito, English. May English.
Yeah, English.
Oh, she's dying too.
He looks like that one guy from Smash Bros.
Okay.
Lagay mo dito. Ito, iba naman ba? Ibaba mo.
Flash. Oh, going with the ball. Sugar ball. Boom, 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 boom. Combo.
Ganda na itong pick up mami. Oh.
I won.
May ano ba to? Backup camera?
So, di ba yun yung sabi?
Rain.
Ah, meron.
Rain.
How did that go
Yes, a backup camera.
Double lightsaber.
Ano pa yung ginagawa mo mami? Ano pa yung ano mo? Gusto mo bang pumalis na tayo dito? O
Yeah, sige na.
pindot-pindot ka pa dyan? Lagay mo
Mahulog
kasi
kasi
dyan.
dyan.
I'm lefty.
Ano ba yan?
No. This one like bad, but it just started then. Look, it's a little so much damage. You watch. Watch. The red one, the red one.
Kasi ayaw mong pahawak sa akin. Gusto mo talaga
I
dyan
can
ilagay.
up now. I'm not getting the red one.
Sige, hawakan mo na lang.
Yeah, bahala ka.
Laser. See, look, it knocks them back into
Yeah,
so much
hawakan mo
damage.
na.
See?
Mama naglag dito na lang.
That's not good. Check mo yung mga salamin kung sakto ba.
Hirap kasi. Wala kasi tayo ano. Dapat bili tayo ng ano neto. Okay, ready?
Kung bibili, bakit ka pa bibili? Hindi naman sa'yo to.
Hindi, yung ano ba? Yung lalagyan
Makita nga
ng...
kasi, ang ano mo eh.
Wow.
Guys, check.
Gawin
Good?
pa tayo eh.
Good.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
I wonder if I
In 900 feet, turn right on Henan Resort Driveway. Then turn right on Hong Lau Island Circumferential Road, S.
The-drive kami guys. Nagrenta kami ng sasakyan.
Turn right on Henan Resort Driveway. Then turn right on Hong Lau Island Circumferential Road, S.
Bro, why does he have my avatar? Why does he?
Ang lao.
Oh no, no, no. No. Am I
Turn
gay?
right on Hong Lau Island Circumferential Road, S.
Peng Lao. Ang kulit naman ng salita, Peng Lao.
Sa ano? Sa ano ne?
Ewan ko.
The boss.
Sir,
Pa-check out na kami. Alis na kami.
yung ano
Oh, wala kasi nirentahan ko to. Girentahan na lang ko na iba. Then, oo.
Karon pa na gyatod?
Oh, karon pa. Kaya to. Ganiha lang.
Roy,
Ah,
okay na may. Sir.
okay na? Okay. Salamat, sir.
Kilala nila yung pink. Kilala nila yung ano dati.
Kilala nga eh. Yung nga sabi, di ba? Kilala nila yung may-ari nito. Ay, yung mga kagwardya dyan. Hello! Ready, guys?
I'm scared to look.
Why you didn't have a belief?
No, I believe in you, but if a car comes running towards me, I don't want to see that. I just want to not see that.
Diretso ra, mami.
Yeah. Mamaya mag-ride ka sa Peng Lao Island.
Sa Penglam Island.
Yeah.
Yung papuntahan natin, may parkingan ba sila?
Parang wala. Kaya mo naman dito kung saan sila nagpa-parking.
Dad, do you
Oo.
have a driver's license?
O look at the booty. Yung mga auntie nga, oh, kung saan.
Dad.
Nagda-drive lang, no?
Ha?
He doesn't think that has a license.
What, kuya?
I think.
Why should we try like 10 this way?
This is where we went last night. We walked.
In half a mile, turn right on Hong Lau Island Circumferential Road, S.
Forever to get to this spot, bro.
Look.
Wala pang helmet daw, bawal yan.
Pwede ka mag-ano dito, dad. Tawag yan, tailgate.
Yeah, tailgate. Dahan-dahan lang. We're just gonna drive slow. We don't need to be hurry.
Harry Potter.
Yeah, hurry.
So, like,
Layo pala na nilakad natin kagabi, no?
Mm.
she's so big. Look at her butt. Look at her back.
Naglakad ba tayo dito kagabi, dad?
In
Hindi.
0.2 miles,
Doon lang.
turn right.
Nilagpasan na natin?
Mhm.
Sige pa. Mag-left ka, mag-right ka mamaya, ha?
My name is Harry Erickson. He's
Dad.
Dito.
Turn right on Hong Lau Island Circumferential Road, S.
Yeah, dito.
Dito.
Oh. So, alam mo yun nung nakamotor?
you never let me sleep on me.
Sige, keep going, dad.
Wag kang magsalita kasi hindi ko nagka-drive.
Okay.
Kasi na ano ako.
In 2.1 miles, you'll arrive at Florencia's Inn.
Diretso na.
Diretso?
Mhm.
Malayo pa?
Yeah, 2 miles. Pero yung 2 miles dito, baka mamaya ka pa makarating. Diba?
Yeah.
Oh, look, the goat. Oh, you guys didn't see the
No, I
goat.
saw it.
Look, another goat.
Mom, stop saying like that.
It's so loud.
Oh.
Why don't we go just on the road?
Dahil motor dito, no?
Mhm.
Ano, ilang ano na?
Layo pa, Dad.
Layo pa.
1.7 miles pa.
Oo.
Dada, dada. Malayo na yata to sa dagat.
Yeah.
Dito hindi masyadong busy.
Mhm.
Maganda to kasi, pag nag-grab tayo, yung grab kasi isa lang yung mapupuntahan natin.
Mhm.
Isang bayan.
Isang
So,
bayan.
pag yung marami tayong mapupuntahan, hindi marami na
Gasto.
tayong bayan.
Yeah, magastos.
I know, like,
Bayad mo na lang ng ano, renta mo na lang.
Yeah.
I know what we die for.
Unlimited,
Marami ka
unlimited.
Holy,
Punta ka kahit saan.
Kaya kahit sa butik na ng gabi,
Yeah.
walang problema sa ano.
Mhm.
Kasi pag ano, wala nang mabiyahe masyado. Depende sa lugar. Daddy don't use the honk.
Oh yeah, huh? Forgot.
No, if there's a car in front of you and then like he's gonna turn you, use your honk. Stop honking!
Dad, oh my god, look at that.
Yeah, I honk was that guy. He's going
Calm
in.
down.
Bata ng bata.
Dad, stop doing that. You're gonna get used to it.
Yeah, you know,
When you go back to America, you're gonna
you
get
need to be used to it.
honking.
Yeah, you need to be used to it here. Malayo pa ako.
Ayaw pag overtake ha.
Yeah, malayo pa ako. No?
Malapit na 0.8 miles. $25 miles lang nga yung takbo dito. Yung takbo mo 20 na, 28. Pag-honk, Dad. Nasa man kang overtake na ikuan sa at tanganin mo sa kyanan.
Yeah, talaga.
We are now in a not so busy
Area.
not so busy area. You guys wanna live here?
I'll pass.
You pass? Kuya wants to live here. Yung pupuntahan natin next door sa gasoline station.
Oh yeah, maayos.
Mhm.
Ayos pala yan kasi nga napit ulit pagbagas. Punuin natin.
What are you doing?
I'll stay here in the Henan Hotel.
Dah, to social talaga itong isa. Dad, kaya na gusto. Look, 7-Eleven. There's so many 7-Eleven. Kuyapan ka, Dad? Wala.
Hmm?
Hindi kuyapan ka.
Hindi rin? Hindi? Hindi ah.
Oh.
Excited nga ako.
In 0.2
Kasi nakakagamit ako ng
you'll
busina eh.
arrive at Florencia's Inn.
0.2 miles. Asan is shit dyan?
Kaya na ano mami eh, tagal na ako nagdadrive. Parehas lang naman magdadrive. Ano lang dito, mga aggressive ka lang dito. Hindi ka pwedeng pag ya. Nanda.
Ito na oh.
Ito na?
Ito yung ayan na Florentia's. Kita mo?
You've arrived
Ayun,
at
oh.
your destination.
Saan ito?
Yeah.
Oh.
Saan tayo pwede mag-park dyan? Pwede yata mag-park doon, oh. O, dito ka na lang mag-park. Dito, oh.
Saan?
Dito.
Pwede
Plus ka
dyan?
muna konti siguro. So, dito, oh, sa gilid.
Sa gilid?
Yeah. Yung straight parking ka
Hindi,
ba?
sana may sakinan
Dito
ba?
na nga, oh, katabi ng motor.
Kaya nga, pero ano ko yung ano pa?
What are you doing, Dad?
Dito?
Yeah, pwede siguro dyan. Saglit lang naman tayo. What are we doing?
Di ba nabangga?
Hindi. Layo mo ba nga eh?
Hindi, okay lang. Hindi, kalabas na ako. Punta ka na doon. Mag-check-in ka na.
What is this?
Ano?
Umaga.
Mag, Kanina ang tindahan sa kanila din pala.
Oo, sa kanila.
Doon daw.
Oo. Okay rin dito tayo mag-park, te?
Okay lang.
Oo.
Iwanan ko lang to dito.
Yeah. Ano ka na? Ako na. Ah. Oop. Ah. Okay na, no?
Siguro yun. Kanina kaila ako.
Oo.
Oh, okay.
Pwede din. Tanan.
Convenient. Sorry ate, dagan tayo. Bugat pa, Jod.
Punta ka na.
Na-exercise naman si ate. Kaya mo na?
Ah. Salamat. Sa'yo lang. TS. Ano yan?
Nasa ano mo yun? Punta ka sa Waze. Nasa ano na yung history.
There's that one, there's that.
Ito sa beauty?
Yeah.
It's not here.
Ito.
Let's take Hong Lao Island
Dito?
Circumferential Road, S. Lourdes Labang Barangay Road, Hong Lao.
Dito na.
Hindi ko alam.
Mga.
Dito ba? O padiretso doon.
Mga kasi nakataliko. Nakataliko. Can you hold my bag, kuya?
Okay.
Kanina asan tayo galing?
Dito.
Pa dito yata dad?
Yeah.
Bakit ka nakailaw?
Para makita nila tayo.
Oh, it's very hot na.
Saan? Pa dito tayo?
Kita?
Oh.
Hindi mag-U-turn kung hindi siya.
Ano?
Yeah, tama.
Tama?
Wow, look at that driver.
You guys have a driver now, huh?
Tapos mag-left tayo mamaya sa Lourdes, Libao, Barangay Road.
Lourdes.
Dito yata.
Turn left on Lourdes Labong Barangay Road.
Dito?
Hindi, dito.
Dito?
Yeah, yan. Left ka dyan.
In 600 feet, turn left.
That's so weird.
Ano yun, mag-left na po doon yan. Yes, stoplight, mag-left.
Bah, may stoplight,
Look,
stoplight
there's a
din ah.
stoplight.
There's a stoplight, finally, huh?
That's a time
Oh,
check.
Left ka dira.
they follow the stoplight too.
Bicycle downtown.
He knows.
I need an explication.
Diretso ra. Nagsan pa mga yuta dito doon na ano eh.
In 1.2 miles.
Dito yata, dito maganda pumili ng ano, property.
Panglaw pa to siya.
Panglaw.
Pero ibang ano,
Oo, iba naman.
ibang barangay. Oo.
Purok Tres. Barangay yun. Ang ganda dito banda. May nakita pa bang for sale?
Wala. Ano dumadaan dito ah? Late na kalsada dad?
Parang mga two-way lane sa atin. Pero malaki na to sa kanila. Malayo pa.
Malapit na. 2 minutes.
Mag-left or right?
Wala. Ano is mag-right. Line right.
Alright.
I mean, left.
Left.
Yeah. Yeah. Look. Dad, stop. Oh my God.
School zone ahead.
School zone.
Saan na?
Sige
Diretso pa?
Uh-huh.
Ah, ito yung sinabi ni Manang, oh, fixed right.
Oh yeah,
In 0.2
Alturas.
miles.
Yan yung Alturas.
Turn left.
Bago yan?
Mm.
Is that the supermarket?
Yeah.
Yeah, supermarket. We can go there.
Oh, it's just right here.
Me and Ate will get a hair done.
Evil store.
Turn left.
Mag-left ka dyan sa stoplight. Wow. Stop kay red light.
Layo naman niya.
Dapat siya.
Doon pa yata sunahan, di ba?
Ang alin?
Ang ano, mag-stop.
Hindi, malapit na. Ayan ako naman.
Hindi, yung ano ba, yung
Ah.
mag-stop ba? Doon pa sa ano, oh.
Yeah, kasi pedestrian yan, no?
Mm.
Yeah, mo siya dad. So,
Ah, kasi liliko yung mga tao doon.
yung iba kasi pag lumiliko, hindi na nabuhay.
Hindi naman to mga to, oh. Hindi naman to mga ano, mga foreigner. Hindi ng motor.
Akala ko yun. Yeah, yun ba yun?
I did.
Pero ang init-init dyan, dad, doon naka-helmet ka.
Left, no?
Yeah. Look at the dog. Tapos, dito na tada. Dito lang kami na
Dito, dito, dito?
Yeah, U-turn ka na lang. Doon kami baba. Pwede mo kami U-turn?
Yan lang.
Masamang ka, uy.
May tinapay.
Yeah, sa taas daw nito. Gordita bread. Bili ako mamaya para may pangkape tayo.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's go na.
Bye,
See
guys.
you guys later.
Mom,
Ha?
you buy mango bread. There's mango bread.
Mango bread?
Yeah, if there's any.
Okay.
But if you want to.
You wanna buy it right now? Let's go. We can buy it right
No,
now.
I don't want to right now.
You don't want to right now?
I'm so full right now.
Okay.
The
Uh,
rest?
yeah. Yeah, okay na. Bye.
Maybe you want. They should have bought the
May
water.
altoras doon. May ano doon, no? You wanna buy some bread then?
No, not right now.
No?
When they're done. So I feel like.
Where's my phone? No? You wanna go Altoras? Buy some barbecue there?
No, I don't, Dad. I'm full. I'm so full.
What about you, Kyrie? Huh?
Dad, just
No?
leave it.
Hold on, let me buy some bread then. I'm gonna buy bread then. If you guys wanna go, okay? Because I'm hungry.
What's low? Like 12%.
I have so much
Look,
work.
look.
Ew.
Ooh, that's tough.